I have been here before. The sighing sound. You have been mine before.
Hello, stranger. Hello, Mum.
Hello, stranger.
Hello, Mum.
Sometimes I think we don't really talk.
What do you mean, talk?
You don't talk the way people do.
It's not really working, is it? I'm going to leave.
Look, Edward, you can't just walk away after 29 years. You have to try.
I have tried for 29 years.
No.
I think the truth is we're different kinds of people.
If I had to blame you for anything, it would be letting her think that you were happy. You think maybe he'll walk back through that door?
It really could happen.
Mum, he's in love! So if your life hurts you so much, I won't stop you.
This has nothing to do with me. This is your problem.
His name is Edward. Stay, Edward. Stay.
Forgive me for needing you to be strong forever. Forgive me for fearing your unhappiness. As you suffer, so I shall suffer. Hold my hands and walk the old walk. One last time.
If we get a divorce, I get less than if he died.
Yes.
So it would be better for me if you were dead.